Hey guys, it's Tamisha with Toolbox Divas, and in this video, I'm going to show you what you can make with the Cricut Maker 3. So one of my favorite holiday pastimes is crafting, and it usually involves a Cricut of some sort. So in this video, I'm so happy to introduce you guys to the Cricut Maker. It is the ultimate smart cutting machine. With it, you can cut over 300 plus materials, including fabric, balsa wood, leather, chipboard. The Maker 3 has an expandable suite of 13 tools for cutting, scoring, and embellishing. And I'll be honest with you, even with all the different tools and accessories that I have with the Cricut Maker 3, I have yet to fully explore all of the possibilities that I could possibly make with this machine. That being said, let's take some chipboard, some smart Cricut materials, and test out the new Cricut Maker 3. So in 5 minutes or less, I was able to set this machine up to the Cricut Design Space. Using images that I found in the Cricut Design Space, I'm going to create some Thanksgiving nameplates. And unlike the previous Cricut Maker, I can actually cut some materials with or without a mat. So for this, I'm going to choose multiple ways because I want to test out your traditional maker materials as well as cutting the new smart materials. We're going to start with a 1.5 millimeter chipboard. Cutting chipboard will still require the usage of a mat. So I'm going to prepare the Cricut Maker by moving the rollers to the side and setting up the strong grip mat, as well as changing out the bit for the knife blade. So one of the challenges that I had with the original Cricut Maker was with the knife blade, it took a very long time to complete a cut, and that blade would constantly get stuck in the material. And making more intricate cuts was always a challenge. In fact, sometimes it was almost impossible. But I opted for a design that includes smaller words to see how the machine will handle the intricate cuts. And to my surprise, it did really well. In fact, while there was a little tear out, for the most part, it did the cut flawlessly. And I noticed that the machine moves in a more precise manner. And I didn't have any problems with the blade getting stuck. Next, we're going to cut some wood veneer. I didn't worry about the tearing of the chipboard surface because ultimately I'm going to cover the chipboard and make this a layered effect, like so. Now, let's get smart with this smart machine and cut some smart material. So the great thing about the smart material is it does not require a mat. We're going to cut out the same image using some smart paper sticker cardstock. I love this sticker cardstock because it allows me to make stickers at will, and with a 2-year-old that loves stickers, this comes in very handy. Now I'm going to layer all the pieces, creating a shadow effect with the cardstock under the veneer. I only wish that there was a sticker veneer that Cricut offered. Going back to Design Space, I am going to customize the image and place my name within the middle of the pumpkin and weld the image together so that when it cuts, it will cut seamlessly as one image. And again, we'll be cutting without a mat using smart vinyl. So I'm going to be using this permanent vinyl that has this shimmery, glitter texture to it. I love the way it looks, but I'm not sure if the lighting allows you to see just how pretty the texture is. So I am actually playing this in real time to show you just how fast the Cricut Maker 3 makes a cut like this. It is actually 2 times the speed of the original Maker with 10 times the cutting force. So after weeding this image, I transferred the image to a plate that I found at my local Dollar Tree. I love the way this turned out. This is a great alternative to your traditional name signs at your dinner table. All in all, this is an excellent crafting tool. From the speed, the precision, and the ease of use, this is a game changer crafting tool. So I want to know how you guys feel about crafting tutorials. Typically, I offer crafting tutorials on my website, but like I said, during the holidays, I loved crafting. And if you'd like to see some crafting tutorials, let me know. So don't be shy. Follow me on social media at Toolbox Divas on Facebook and Instagram. All right, guys. Till next time.